Hello, my name is Serafin and I'm going to be making marble cake. You will need 300 grams of butter, 370 grams of flour, 280 grams of sugar, half a teaspoon vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt, 5 eggs, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 70 grams milk, and 30 grams cocoa powder. First, preheat the oven to 350. Now we're going to spread out the butter so the batter won't stick to the form. Now you're going to put in the breadcrumbs and you're going to evenly spread it out. I'm going to put in 300 grams of butter. And I'll mix it. Now add 250 grams of sugar. Then you're going to add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And now a little bit of salt. Now you're going to crack 5 eggs. And now 370 grams of flour. Grams of baking powder. Now you're gonna mix it once more. Now add 40 grams of milk. Now pour in half of the batter into the form or the mold. Now add 30 grams of cocoa powder, 30 grams of sugar. Now 30 grams of milk. Mix it again really quick. Now I'm going to push down all the chocolate or the dough that moved up. See again really shortly. Now pour the rest of the dough into the form on top of the white dough. Marble it. Do not mix. Put it in the oven for 50 to 60 minutes. For decorating, get half a cup of powdered sugar. I'm gonna make it so now take it off. Now decorate it with powdered sugar. And if you want the strawberry,